What's up, fellow Maths? In this video of the Java Fundamentals tutorial, we'll be going over the Java scope. In Java, variables can only be accessed where they are created, which is called the scope. To determine where the scope of the variable is, the curly braces are used to determine the scope. If a variable is created in the scope of a class, then that variable is available to all parts of that class, including the methods, condition statements, loops, enums, and so on. So just to show you a quick example of what I mean. So here we are in the animal class, and here we have this age of animal method right here. So in this method contains the string brief bio, and this brief bio is only accessible by this age of animal method. So if another method, for example, this age of animal method tried to access the brief bio, it will result in an error, and I'll show you that right now. So here, if I try to access the brief bio equals something, so I'm getting an error right here because it's because this brief bio for the age of animal is local to this age of animal and not accessible by any method outside of it. If I'm able to create another brief bio, then after I have to initialize this, instantiate this brief bio with its own variable. So here, this brief bio works once I instantiate it on its own. So just to show you another example, if I want to create a variable, for example, which in this case, it's outside the method but inside the class, which would be, they call it, which is considered an instance variable. So I can create a method called string, just say brief bio. And if I remove this brief bio of the string from the brief bio on the age of animal, and then I can just set this to like null, for example. So in this case, the brief bio, I don't have to instantiate this brief bio variable since it's already an instance variable inside the class. So if it's inside the class but outside the method, then methods with the same variable name have access to the method without having to instantiate that variable. So if you want to understand this quickly, just look at the curly braces. If the curly braces are inside the method, then the variables are going to be accessible only by the methods. And if the variables are inside the class and outside the method, then the variables are accessible by the class as well as the methods. So here's our assignment for this topic. It's only just one question. Can a variable that is local to a method be used outside of that method? Why or why not? If this video was of any value to you, then please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.